Welcome to Orchestration. In this lecture, I give analogy about orchestration, explain about cloud and container orchestration. Look at this diagram. The orchestrator is standing in front of the music troupe. Every musician has their own instrument that gives a unique sound. The orchestrator organize all of them and give one music to our ears. Imagine this orchestrator is Kubernetes and all these musical instruments are containers. The audience is the end customer. Let's apply the same analogy for Kubernetes later. Look at this picture. I have a parent template that has VM, app, and DB creation definition. When I execute the parent template, the Cloud Resource Manager executes them in a coordinated manner. It knows which component should be executed first. From the end user perspective, you just get the objects, but in the backend, the cloud resource provider does a lot of work for you using orchestration. For the definition purpose, orchestration is the automated configuration, coordination, and management of cloud resources and software. Example, ARM template, AWS CloudFormation, and Google Cloud Deployment Manager. Now container orchestration. If you look at the diagram, I have the container at the left side. When I send the container through the orchestration layer, such as Kubernetes, it does provisioning, deployment, auto-scaling, replication, monitoring, and other 50 different non-functional factors to deploy and manage the containers in the chosen cloud environment. For the definition purpose, container orchestration is the automatic process of provisioning, managing, scheduling, and monitoring the containers within the highly available clusters. Kubernetes is the very famous orchestration layer for container workloads. Next, Kubernetes.